Man searches for lost wombat as flood continues to rise.
G'day guys, this is channel 6338 News. We've come down here today. We're going to show you this pipe here. The indicators on the pipe are the 4 green marks up the top. Now, this has been 39 years since the green markers have been touched by waters. But old Wombat, who lives down the street here, he lived down the road, he'll remember that back in 1963 when it was up to the 3rd top marker. So now we've laid this pipe, it's getting close. This is the closest it's been in 30 years, folks. We'll come back here every few days just to see how it's going. And until then, man, stay safe, stay dry. If you can't be good at it.